Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where we explore beautiful homes, timeless architecture, and thoughtfully designed living spaces that bring comfort and inspiration into everyday life. Today, we're visiting a charming modern cottage-style home that perfectly blends simplicity with elegance. This home may appear modest in size, but every detail has been carefully designed to create a warm, balanced, and highly livable environment. From its clean white brick facade to the bold contrast of dark roofing and window frames, this house reflects a quiet confidence in design. As we move through each space, you'll notice how light, proportion, and thoughtful layout come together to create a home that feels both functional and deeply comforting. So take a moment to relax and let's explore this beautiful home together, right here on Sephia Spaces. From the street view, the home immediately presents a sense of balance and symmetry that feels calm and welcoming. The white brick exterior creates a bright and timeless foundation, while the dark roof and window frames provide a strong visual contrast that anchors the design. The centered wooden door acts as a focal point, framed perfectly by two large windows on either side. This symmetry gives the home a sense of order and harmony, making it visually pleasing without feeling overly complex. Surrounding greenery adds softness to the architecture, helping the house blend naturally into its environment. The walkway leading to the home is designed with both function and aesthetic in mind. The stepping stones create a rhythmic path that naturally guides you toward the entrance, encouraging a slower and more intentional approach. The contrast between the solid stone and the soft grass creates a visually balanced composition that feels both structured and organic. Each step becomes part of the experience, turning a simple pathway into a thoughtful design feature. This approach enhances the feeling of arrival, making the journey toward the front door feel calm and engaging rather than purely functional. The front yard showcases a minimalist landscaping approach that focuses on clarity and balance. A neatly trimmed lawn provides a clean base, while small shrubs and plants add layers of texture without overwhelming the space. Each element is carefully placed, ensuring that the greenery enhances the architecture rather than competing with it. This creates a calm and organized visual experience that feels both natural and refined. The open space allows the house to remain the focal point, while the surrounding plants soften the edges of the design. The porch area creates a welcoming transition between the exterior and interior of the home. Slightly elevated, it gives the entrance a sense of importance without feeling overly formal. The wooden door stands out as a warm focal point, contrasting beautifully with the white brick facade. On either side, simple lighting fixtures add both function and ambiance, especially in the evening. This space encourages a brief pause before entering, allowing you to shift from the outside environment into the calm interior. The entryway introduces the interior with a calm and welcoming atmosphere. The lighting is soft and balanced, creating a smooth transition from the brightness of the outdoors. The layout feels open yet intimate, providing enough space to move comfortably while maintaining a sense of coziness. Clean lines and neutral tones keep the design simple and elegant. From this point, the flow of the house becomes clear, guiding you naturally toward the main living areas. The entryway sets the tone for the entire home, thoughtful, uncluttered, and designed for comfort. The living room serves as the central gathering space of the home. Natural light enters through large windows, filling the room with warmth and creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The proportions are carefully balanced, making the space feel both open and comfortable. Furniture arrangements can support conversation, relaxation, and everyday living. This is where the home truly comes to life, where moments are shared and time is spent together. The design prioritizes comfort and connection, making it a space that feels both functional and emotionally inviting. The dining room continues the sense of openness and connection established in the living area. Positioned nearby, it allows for a seamless flow between spaces, enhancing the overall functionality of the home. The dining table becomes the focal point, not because of decoration, but because of the experiences that happen around it. Lighting plays a key role in creating warmth, especially during evening meals. This space emphasizes togetherness, making it an essential part of the home's daily life. The kitchen is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. Clean cabinetry and organized storage create a space that is both practical and visually calm. The layout supports easy movement, making cooking and preparation feel natural and comfortable. Every element is placed with intention, ensuring that the space remains uncluttered and functional. This is a kitchen designed for real living, simple, efficient, and quietly elegant. The pantry provides additional storage that supports the functionality of the kitchen. Shelving allows for organized placement of items, keeping everything easily accessible. By storing essentials here, the main kitchen remains clean and visually uncluttered. This space may be small, but it plays an important role in maintaining the overall efficiency of the home. It reflects the idea that thoughtful design extends even to the most practical areas. The bedroom is designed as a peaceful retreat within the home. Soft lighting and calming tones create an environment that encourages rest and relaxation. The space feels private and quiet, offering a break from the busyness of daily life. Natural light during the day enhances the atmosphere, while the simplicity of the design keeps the room uncluttered. This is a space dedicated to comfort, rest, and personal well-being. The closet provides organized storage that supports daily routines. With enough space for clothing and essentials, it helps maintain a clean and tidy environment. The layout is simple and efficient, making it easy to use and maintain. This area contributes to the overall sense of order within the home. It shows how even functional spaces can be thoughtfully designed. The bathroom reflects the same clean and calming design language found throughout the home. Neutral tones and simple finishes create a fresh and relaxing environment. Lighting is soft and balanced, enhancing the overall sense of comfort. The space supports daily routines while maintaining a peaceful atmosphere. It's a place where simplicity becomes a source of calm. The office provides a quiet and focused workspace within the home. Natural light helps create an environment that feels open and energizing. The design minimizes distractions, allowing for better concentration and productivity. This space supports both work and creativity, offering a calm setting for thinking and planning. It reflects the growing importance of having a dedicated workspace at home. The library introduces a quiet and reflective space dedicated to reading and relaxation. Surrounded by books, the room feels warm and personal. Soft lighting enhances the atmosphere, making it a comfortable place to spend time. This space encourages slowing down and enjoying quiet moments. It adds depth and character to the home, creating a balance between activity and rest. The patio extends the living space outdoors, creating a connection between the interior and exterior of the home. It offers a place to relax, enjoy fresh air, and spend time in a natural setting. The simplicity of the design allows the surroundings to become the main feature. It's a versatile space that can be used throughout the day. The patio adds a sense of openness and balance to the home. As the sun sets, the backyard transforms into a warm and peaceful scene. Golden light spreads across the lawn, highlighting the textures of the home and surrounding greenery. The atmosphere becomes quiet and reflective, marking the end of the day. This moment captures the true essence of the home: calm, balanced, and beautifully simple. It's the perfect cinematic ending to the tour. Thank you for joining us today on Sephia Spaces. We hope this home has inspired you with its simplicity, balance, and thoughtful design. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to stay connected with Sephia Spaces for more beautiful homes and inspiring spaces. Until next time, we'll see you again in another beautiful space.